Okay, hi everyone, welcome back. And in this update, we are going to check out Avalanche's price chart and see what is going on. And if you remember, the last time that we talked about AVAX, we were actually right in here. And the idea was that this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This might be, and again, might be a 5-wave on the downside. So I said, look, probably we are going to get a move down, followed by that yet another move on the upside. But then you need to be a bit careful. So what happened? I'm going to say probably exactly that. And why do I think we need to be a bit patient and careful? Because you see, in a lot of altcoins, the picture is actually in the short term a bit more clear than AVAX. And for example, in most of them, we are having 5-wave off of the lowest low followed by a correction structure on the downside. And in some, we are on the verge of getting a breakout, which is making me say, you know what, this is going to continue for quite a bit. And in others, we are actually already around the highs, and that makes me say, you know what, maybe we are going to get a consolidation pattern followed by another move up. However, in Avalanche right now, because this might be a 5-wave down, the picture is a bit complicated. And for example, you should probably in the back of your mind consider the possibility of having an ABC zigzag, which the subwaves for it are going to be like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-wave down into a correction for wave B. Let's say in this specific case WXY, honestly it doesn't really matter a whole lot, and then another 5 down into C. Now let's go on the live chart and see what is going on. And I do think this is a 5-wave, this is correction down, this is probably another impulse on the upside, so maybe this is going to be ABC up. And assuming that this is a 5-wave down, then okay, you may have 5 down into A, correction for wave B, and what's next? As opposed to a lot of other altcoins, probably in here a move down into our ceiling. Now, let me be very clear. This scenario, it's not at the moment confirmed yet. In fact, if you insist on being bullish optimistic in Avalanche, you are more than welcome to argue this is 1, this is 2, and what's next? A strong move up into wave 3, 4, 5. So if in the next, let's say 48 hours, this move is going to continue at quite a bit of a rapid pace, I am going to be at that point much more bullish with a heck of a lot more confidence. On the other hand, what you do not want to see in AVAX in the short term is after having, I'm going to say probably another 3% move up, a rather strong face down, a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave without a lot of overlapping of the waves in order to take this important low down here about $24. Why? Because at that point, it is going to be confirmed that we are having in here an ABC zigzag, and maybe on a higher degree, this is a B. And what's next? Probably a continuation of the move down into our C leg, according to the best possible count. You can have, for example, this scenario suggesting that instead of having an impulse in here, this is an ABC zigzag, and on a higher degree, this is 1, 2, and what's next? A strong move down into wave 3, 4, 5 in order to take the lowest low all the way down here around $22.5. This scenario is also possible, but you know, for now, I think it's a little bit soon to jump into those kinds of conclusion. For now, all eyes should be on the current move and see what are we going to do. Are we going to have, after another small face up, a strong move down in order to take these lows right in here, which will not be a good sign, or are we going to continue this move in the next 48 hours at quite a bit of a rapid pace? If this happens, great sign. At that point, we can expect after a short-term consolidation, yet another strong move up, which is awesome. And I hope I explained everything well and you understood what is going on in Avalanche's price chart. And until the next update, I hope you have a wonderful time. Goodbye.